Alright, Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Pepe video update today. And many of you may be wondering what's going on with Pepe and what's the next move at this point of time. So the stage is set and we've come down, we met the technical target, we're pumping a little bit, you're potentially making a double bottom as well. And this target that I've given you was met. We still have a technical target down here, just a little bit more. So it's still a question mark if we're looking to go down because number one is the RSI looks to be a little bit impressive. So you do have a small bullish divergence printing out. So the RSI is moving up, the prices are pretty much sideways. So it's more like a regular bullish divergence, which is a good sign at this point of time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the Bollinger Bands and I'm going to take in the trend line and I'm going to draw the trend line just like that. And this trend line is going to be formed over here, and we're looking for a nice good W at the moment. Now if you do break out, you do have an opportunity and you may trade this one to go to the upside. Now this is going to be way better visible on the 1 hour time frame. So we're going to turn on the 1 hour time frame at the moment, and this to me looks like the following. And you do have a trend line that goes on from the top, runs down to the bottom there, and you have a technical target. We potentially could be looking to move up. I'm just going to tell you. So from there to there, we may be looking at 7.32% for Pepe. That's just a very small relief. Now, can it happen? Maybe it can happen because I do believe we're so down, we're so bearish at the moment. What about the daily? Let's talk about the daily. Now, the daily does have a reversal candlestick. All right, so you do have this reversal candlestick, and one small problem though is that we still have a 3 black crows. This is a little bit of a problem. This can actually turn out to be a little bit disastrous for Pepe. Now at this point of time though, on the daily you also have a reversal candle here, inverted hammer. Now from this inverted hammer, if Pepe does something like try to push up like this, break above here, yeah, then we could potentially go up. By the way, in the next 9 hours, if you're looking to close up here and make a green candle to 6,099 or 7,000, that's going to be a morning star in itself, and tomorrow we may start to pump back up again. And if things go really great, you may be looking at a very big pump even up to this level, because right now I'm pretty sure that everyone is a little bit bearish on Pepe. But keep in mind, you still have this technical target, so I may not trade. I don't feel safe to trade it. Maybe if it does come down here and try to make some reversal candle, then I may consider to trade here and there with something. Just have a risk management and get on over with. So that's it for this very quick update on Pepe. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.